Hello. In one of my videos, I created a dog class. This was for the clonable dogs homework. You can see that my dog 1 has 3 attributes: age, wolf, and name, and so is dog 2. And I'm not going to show you much of the class dog, and instead I'm going to create an array list of dogs. So this is a second example for using array lists. All right, so we're going to say array list of dogs. We're going to call it kennel. And, sorry, not dogs, just dog, array list of dog. New array list. I don't have to specify the type of objects over here anymore because I did it on the left, the declaration part. And I'm going to say kennel dot add dog1, and also kennel dot add dog2. And now I have 2 dogs on my array list, and I'm going to loop through them and print dog information in a loop. So for dog x in kennel, println x. So this will loop through all the elements in the kennel, that is dogs, and print their information. So to make sure this is right, let's remove the previous, let's comment out the previous printing statement. So this should print out 2 lines, specifically this line. All right. And going back to methods and what you can do with array lists, if you don't like to look at documentation because it's bulky and some of it is maybe still hard to understand because you don't know about classes and interfaces enough yet, you will soon enough. But for now, you can go to the internet and find a cheat sheet for array lists. So literally Google Java array list cheat sheet. And this is one example of such cheat sheet. It doesn't have nearly as many methods as the full documentation, but those are the main ones. Add, whether integer with index. So we are adding a new element to a certain position. We can add all with collections, but that's something to talk about later. Or we can remove elements. So here is some of the methods that you can be using. The main ones. All right, let's go back to this. And I will, just for an example, add another dog. Or maybe I'll add the same dog so it's on the array list again. So kennel dot add dog1 again, which is kind of silly because actual dog cannot be added to the kennel twice, but it's okay for an example. And I'm going to push it to position 1. So right now, previously we had an array list indexed from 0, so position 0, position 1. Now we have a new alias referencing dog1 at position 1, so dog2 moves to position 2. Let's... Yep. So this is not a clone. This is an alias of the same dog1. So it's just a reference to the very same object in position 1 as it is in position 0.